everyone, welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to share with you how to make butter chicken curry. It's my son's favorite. In this video I wanted to share with you how to make it with Japanese curry roux. It is very tasty and easy to use. I already have many recipes using curry roux, so please check them out. By using Japanese curry roux, it becomes really tasty. It's easy for kids to eat. I hope you find this recipe helpful and I hope you can try it out. Here are the ingredients. Cut the chicken into bite-sized pieces. Place the chicken pieces in a plastic bag and season with yogurt, black pepper, 1 tablespoon of ketchup, 1 teaspoon of garam masala. You can skip it or add any spices you like is okay. Marinate in the fridge for about 30 minutes. 30 minutes will add bunch of flavor and make the chicken very moist and tender. Slice the onion when ready to cook. Heat cooking oil in a pot and saute the onion until soft and lightly browned. Add the seasoned chicken and cook until done. Add water and remove the foam if necessary. Add canned diced tomatoes. Then cover and simmer on low for about 5 minutes. Turn off the heat, break up curry roux in the pot. Make sure you stop the heat when you add the curry roux, otherwise it won't blend well. And mix well until completely melted. Then add milk and mix well. Now put on low and simmer for 5 minutes again. Stop the heat and add butter to finish. Serve curry on a hot bed of rice and or with naan bread. Sprinkle with parsley flakes if you have, and now it's done! Kids love it! Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I have more curry recipes on my channel. I have a playlist, so please check it out.
No, どうですか？チャンネル登録お願いします。グッドボタン押してね。バイバイ。100万人お願いします。バイバイ。それにご飯入れて。